Where do ideas come from? Ideas are born in silence, in the gaps between what you know and what you feel. They wait there, hidden, like a secret calling out for someone to listen. You don't find them, they find you. They crawl into you, sudden and urgent, from a place where nothing yet exists, but everything longs to be. Inspiration is restless. It doesn't knock politely. It bursts in, throws itself at you, grabs hold of your chest. It asks nothing but that you surrender, that you become the channel it needs. And so, it begins. A glimpse, a flash, like the flicker of an old film reel, scratched and grainy, but alive. You're not even sure what you've seen, only that it's yours now. You love it before you understand it. That's how it works. Love ignites it. Curiosity feeds it. You start to dig, obsessed, compelled. You search with your hands, your eyes, your breath. You're chasing something you can't yet name. The architect's tools are humble. A line here, a smudge there, geometry that bends and twists. These aren't just marks on a page. They're incantations, signs that carry the weight of memory, of feeling, of questions too big for words. You sketch and write, not for clarity, but for dialogue. You ask the drawing what it wants to be. It answers in whispers, vague at first, but certain in its desires. Space begins to emerge. Volumes rise out of the page, like creatures waking from a dream. They stretch and shift, testing their limits. Slowly, they begin to speak. A curve here, a shadow there, each piece demanding its place. Architecture isn't made, it's uncovered. Like brushing dust off an ancient ruin, you reveal what was always waiting. It comes together in fragments, a puzzle you weren't sure you could solve. And when it's done, you step back and ask, will this space live? Will its light stir the infinite in those who find it? An architect carries a burden. You don't just create buildings. You hold the fragile connection between what's real and what's eternal, between the body and the soul. This is architecture with a heartbeat. It doesn't just shelter, it awakens.